I'm up on my roof. This is my solar setup here. I got 2 solar panels. I'm installing this 1.25 inch conduit here with electrical pipe between the 2 solar panels to keep them out the weather. And these connectors here is going to be covered by the solar panels. And I got some treated 2x4 where I mount the solar panels to, and I got some sealant here. I got everything sealed, and I got those mounts sealed. I think they're galvanized. Anyway, they'll be covered by these solar panels, so they won't be really exposed directly to the weather. So yeah, I'm just doing some solar panel installation today. I got these 2 here, and I'm gonna put 2 more down there. I'm gonna put 2 more at the end, with a total of, what's that, 2, 4, 6. They're gonna be 6 panels total on the roof, which give me 600 watts. And I'm gonna add a few more batteries to increase my storage supply. And that's where I'm at right now. So I'll do an update video once I get everything installed and let you guys see how everything's going. And these are my connectors here. I got I'm using 4 of them, and I got 4 more available, and I can hook a total of 2 more negative and positives, 4 more solar panels with those 2 connectors going back into my shop on this gray hose right there, the gray conduit right there that runs back into my shop. And see, get your look under here. Yeah, see, this everything connected and going back here into my shop right there. And it's an overcast day today, so that's why I decided to get up here. The wind is breezy, and it's not that hot. It's a nice day to get up here and do some work before the sun comes back out and starts scorching me. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. This here, and my conduit is going right down there. It's going to connect to 2 more solar panels that I'm going to install. Try to get those installed. Probably not today, but later this week. I got a jumper cable come where I tie the 2 together, the 2 panels to these 2 panels. And once I get all that done, I get back in here and show you the finished product. But this is Screen Print TV. Thank you guys for joining me. And this is me just scaling my solar system, my solar power system, to run my shop completely eventually. But like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section. And these are monocrystalline solar panels. They're supposed to be more efficient than the polycrystalline solar panels. And give you guys a little bit of a rundown before I get off. These are here what's called MC4 connectors. Here, everything is weather tight, sealed, so that they can be used in rain, sleet, or snow, or sun. And these are my how I connect all the panels together parallel and not series. I could do them in series, but for some reason I'm having problems connecting in series. So after I did some research, that wasn't a proper way to connect them anyway. So I went parallel with it, and everything's working fine. I think my charge controller wasn't big enough to control the power output in series. But I'm out. Like, subscribe, and comment. Screen Print TV.